Everybody, welcome back. It is that day in the month. That exciting day in the month. Oh yes, I have post. Look, I have post. So let's get on with unboxing the most important item that might have come into my house today. Oh, I'm sure you're really excited to know that I have bought 2 baking trays from Amazon. I'm going to be making some cakes tonight for school. I put those over there. Yes, I bought 2 new baking trays for school, but that is not why you are here, is it? You are here to see what is in this box. Oh, it's so exciting. Before I start, let me tell you, I'm wearing my Risac. It is coming towards the end of May here. We have had some lovely weather. But there is a nip in the air over on the east side of the United Kingdom. So shall we get on with undoing and getting into the most exciting post of the month? Oh. I think I'm losing the knack, folks. All my scissors are going blunt. Has anybody ever watched one of these unboxing things on YouTube? People buy mail that has not been claimed. Unclaimed mail videos. And there's a lady out there, she's called the Pallet Princess. And I tell you, if you're ever feeling low and you need a pick-me-up, just have a little look at it. Well, she's got these nifty knives. I think I need one. I don't think I would not pass at being nifty at all. Now, I am going to stop at this point and tip the camera down so you can see what I can see. Dum, da, da, da. Off we go. Now, let's get this in the right place. Are we ready? Let's zoom in. A bit more. I like to do these so that you can see exactly what I can see. And after many years of total failure, I've actually managed to remember to put my dress on the bottom. Address on the bottom. Now, is this a clue? Is this a clue? Oh my gosh, are we ready? We've got Think Pink. Rachel Parker for Beyond the Pink Door. What have we got? Oh my gosh. Oh, let's have a little look. Celebrate the Wins, Chapter 5. I'm just going to have to go straight into this fabric. Oh, yes, Andrea. Yes. I am so very pleased I have this colour. You know, Andrea, a few months ago, did a collaboration with Rachel Parker Designs and came up with a beautiful fabric design, which is called Funfetti. And she did it on a beautiful French terry base. Let's go back to today. So here we have the beautiful postcard, which has got lots of confetti on it. Now, on the back, this is box number 39, and there are 2.5 meters of fabric, and there are 4 colorways. The colorways are, I will put a picture in here. So let's see what else is in here, and then we'll swing round and have a little look. I know exactly what I want to make with this. Oh, let's have a little look. Here we go. Let's tip everything out. What have we got here? Oh, we've got something from Jen. Hog. We've got a... Oh, let me open it up and you can have a little look. Oh, I love it when we get something from Jen Hogg. So this is May box, and May is Andrea's birthday month. Generates by Jen Hogg. We've got unique and original tools and notions for sewing, stitching and yarn. And this is a spool. It's a spool created for bias binding, elastic, cord, any trimmings that you might want to put on. And look at this, designed in Scotland and made in the UK, 100% recycled and recyclable acrylic. Look at that. Is that not just beautiful? And it matches my fabric. I absolutely adore that, Andrea. That is absolutely stunning. So obviously I have pink thread. And this, what is this? Oh, a seam ripper. You can never have enough seam rippers. Now, all of mine is pink. I've got some lovely, lovely sweeties. I don't think the sweeties will last. I think they might get eaten. So, shall we get the fabric out and have a little look at it? And look at this. Isn't this just fantastic? It's just absolutely beautiful. And bingo, I have a dress. I was asked by Andrea if I would like to do a make in the Funfetti. So while I was waiting for the fabric to arrive, I actually spent some time doing some digging and trying to decide which particular pattern I wanted to make. And I decided I wanted to do the Alpha dress by Coralie Biasson Patterns. And I'll come to more about that in a minute, but I must tell you what happened the day the fabric arrived. Pam was coming over to see me. I can't remember, was it her birthday or not? Anyway, she was coming over for a meal and I had the fabric on the line. And I went outside and I sent Andrea a film and it had last month's box and this month's box on the line. And I was going, dry, you've got to dry now, just dry. And I was shouting at the fabric to dry as quickly as possible so that I could get it hidden away upstairs before Pam came. So, shall we go outside and take a little look at what this particular dress looks like on? So here you go, it is the most stunning dress. It's a double-breasted dress. And I'll come in a bit closer here. So it's got a faux double breast. So these don't, on this side, these buttons don't do up, but inside there is a little tiny button. There's a button here, 2 buttons here. Oh, 3 buttons here. She's saying 3 buttons. 1 above the waist, 2 below. And you've got it matched on the other side. Darts here, darts there, and the skirt was cut on like a moon, and it's got a lovely little frill around the bottom. So I'm just going to hold it up and hope to goodness you can see. I've got the loveliest little frill around the bottom here. I did alter the pattern and I did put some more fullness into the sleeves because I wanted just a slightly bit more of a statement sleeve, and I had more than enough fabric to do that. It's got the most beautiful lapel collar. So there you go, and it's a little wrap. And I actually feel absolutely fantastic in it. It's absolutely lovely. I'll spin round, you can see. It's absolutely lovely. And it is the Alpha dress by Coralie Biasson Patterns. The instructions are in French and English, and I absolutely adore it. Let me come back in again. You can see here you've got the wrap. I think I am very conscious about it gaping, but it's not too bad, look. It's not too bad. So here it fits beautifully. I've got this lovely sleeve and it fits me nicely around there. I didn't have to do any alterations. I made a straight, whatever size it was, increased it slightly over the hips in order to get the top to be small enough. And I am going to sneeze. And you can see the buttons here. And then if I just lift up again, you can see the lovely little frill on the side of the skirt that goes all the way around, and the frill stops, not quite, show me the frill stops. The frill stops just here, it just graves in beautifully, and the instructions are second to none, and I would totally recommend this pattern. You can do it just as a skirt. There we go, back inside. Do you know, I'm getting very nervous doing these videos. I don't know why. I've suddenly become a little bit like tongue-tied. I think there's so much you want to say. So we have the ebook. She says, looking in amongst everything for the ebook. Now the ebook, you have a code on the back of this card here, and it takes you to an ebook. The ebook, it shows the 4 colourways. So is the royal blue and the pink, which I have here now. Let's put the pink over. The pink is just as lovely. Just as lovely as the blue. A black background and a white background. Actually, all of them are just absolutely stunning fabrics. The design is out of this world. And you may have come across Rachel Parker designs with Lauren Guthrie from Guthrie and Garney, because she's done some collaborations with Rachel Parker as well. So we've got a little video here from Andrea celebrating the box. And we've got a feature on gardening. We've got a cake, cookies and cream fridge cake. Yum, 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 yum. That could be very naughty. And we've got a whipped feta dish. I love the way we've now got recipes. We've got a puzzle. We've got some lovely pattern picks throughout. There's the Coralie Biasson Adriana dress, which is suggested, and the So Isla Rumi dress on top. I've given a few suggestions as well. I think there's a few. There's also the Le Loup de Cadia La La Land dress, which I absolutely adore. Okay, I'm looking here. What did I make? And I started reading the article to discover it's the one that I wrote. So I've done a make. Andrea's done a make. Catherine, who is the sewing beekeeper, has done a make. Oh, and Mel has done a make. And Mel, who is the lovely Mel Keane, I'll put down her Instagram handle below. Mel has made a peony dress in the white. Catherine, the sewing beekeeper, has done a beautiful. She's made the Rosamund blouse by Madswick's Patterns, and that is stunning, and it is in the pink.
And then a huge apology. This time it's to Becki from What Beck Sews. I'm so sorry, Becki, I missed you off. Becki has made the most stunning puff sleeve and square neck dress with shearing and the most delightful full skirt. I'm going to put a link to Becki's Instagram channel and her YouTube channel down below. Do go and check her out. She is full of sewing fun, enthusiasm and enjoyment, and she's also the creator behind Jazz and Wow. So if you've not found her yet, go and find her now.
Let's have a look what Andrea made. Andrea made the Seasons of East Summer in New York dress using the black. Now then, I will put all of those suggestions in the description box below for you to have a look at yourself and decide what you want to make. But I just mentioned that I could make a skirt. I also quite fancy some lovely loose fluid wide leg trousers. Or for those of you that have been following Me Made May over on Instagram, there are some superb makes that are popping up, and the ones that are really popping up and hitting me are the variations of fabric that people are using to make the Burnside Bibs. I think this would make a fantastic pair of Burnside Bibs, and I have to say, I think that could be a toss-up between Burnside Bibs and a skirt. But I have another fabric I could use for a skirt, so it could be that these are Burnside Bibs, but I really need to make the pair I mentioned in my last vlog before I cut into this stunning, stunning fabric. If you have always thought about getting a subscription box, you can always head over to Beyond the Pink Door and see if there is a one-off to see if you like the idea of having a subscription box. And also the link is below if you wish to subscribe to the Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink Sewscription Box. It is the only subscription box I get. So for now, I'm going to say goodbye and look forward to seeing you all again very soon, where I'm going to do a roundup of how I'm doing with my plans and what happened the minute I put out my plans video. It's always the same, isn't it? We put out a plans video and life takes a different turn. So for now, you take care, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. And you never know, you might see this again because it's absolutely beautiful. How do you choose which one you like the best? I mean, it's virtually impossible, isn't it? Pink, blue, pink, blue. I don't know. Anyway, see you soon. Bye-bye.